Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video on how to learn Spanish. Hola chicos, hola chicas, bienvenidas a otro video sobre cómo aprender español. So today we're gonna keep learning the syllables in the alphabet. Okay, repeat after me. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Muy bien, very good. Next one. Na, ne, ni, no, no. Okay, very good. Next one is going to be with the ñ. This is like a weird looking N with an accent. It's going to be ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Perfect, very good. Next one. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Next one is going to be que, ki. Next one, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Next one is going to be sa, se, si, so, su. Next one we have ta, te, ti, to, tu. Very good. Next one. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Okay, remember here that even though it's va, we say ba because we don't make a distinction between b and v. Next one is going to be wa, we, wo, wo. Next one, sa, se, si, so, su. And next one is going to be ya, ye, ji, yo, you. And last one is going to be sa, se, si, so, su. Very good, perfect. So before we go to the practice, let's clarify some things. Let's remember that these groups of syllables are going to have the same pronunciation. The first one is going to be ya, ye, ji, yo, you, ya, ye, ji, yo, you. So here the double L and the Y are going to have the same pronunciation. Next group, we have sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su, and se, si. So here the S and the Z are going to have the same pronunciation always. And also the letter C when it's next to an E or an I. Okay, next one we have ba, be, bi, bo, bu. And ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Okay, so here remember that I told you before that the B and the V are gonna have the same pronunciation. We don't care. I say ba, ba, ba all the time. Okay, perfect. Next one we have ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ka, ko, ku, ke, ki. So here the letter K are gonna have the same pronunciation as the letter C when it's next to an A, O, or U. And also the same pronunciation as QU when it's next to an E or E. And in this case, QU, the U is going to be silent. Okay, and last group is going to be he, 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 he. So here with the letter G and the letter J is going to have the same pronunciation just when the G is next to the E or E. Perfect. Now let's practice what we just learned. So I'm going to show you some syllables and you have to guess the sound. Okay, ready? Let's start. Number one, what sound does this syllable make? This one is going to be se. Se like señor. That means mister. Next one. What do you think? This one is que. Que like parque. That means park. Very good. Muy bien. Next one. What about this one? This one is going to be you. You like yuyo. That means bug. Okay, this is going to be the last one. What about this one? What do you think? This one is going to be like vivir. That means to live. Okay, yes, guys, good job. That was amazing. Now you know every single syllable of the alphabet in Spanish. Don't forget to memorize all the sounds and take it chill. Don't get stressed out. And check all the highlights in the PDF and check out the new words in the vocabulary section. Thank you so much for your time and see you in our next lesson. See you later. Bye-bye. Adios.